back. Today we have an underhand rolling activity game for you. You are going to need a ball or a rolled up pair of socks, something you can roll. You're going to need a target. I have a water bottle. Coach Geneve has a stuffed animal, something you can roll at. And you're going to need something to mark your spot. We have a piece of paper. Go get those items. Okay, we have all of our supplies gathered, hope you do too. We put our target by our wall, we put our marker down about 5 steps back. Remember, when you underhand roll, you step with the opposite foot, get low, and roll the ball. You have 1 minute to practice hitting your target. Go. Okay, now that you've had some time to practice, we are going to play a game. So you're going to start behind your marker. You're rolling at your target. Okay, if you knock it over, you hit your target, you're going to get your ball. You get to take 1 step back and roll again. If you don't, you're going to have to do an exercise. So here we go. I knocked my target over, so I pick up my target, my ball. I'm going to take 1 step back.
I missed it. I have to do 10 jumping jacks.
I hit my target again, so now I get to take 2 steps back. Now I'm going to see how far back away from my marker I can get and still hit my target. Your turn to go play. Good job today, guys. We hope you had fun playing our underhand rolling game. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.